Hello guys, my name is Jennifer Ochoa Fermin, and in this video we're going to be talking about blood flow through the heart. As we know, in the right side of the heart receives the oxygenated blood and it pumps it all the way through the heart into the lungs to become oxygenated. That's why in this diagram we have first the oxygenated blood, and as we know, those are represented by blue because there's no rich oxygen in the veins. So everything starts through blood from the body, follows to the superior vena cava, superior and inferior vena cava, to the right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, into the right ventricle, through the pulmonary valve, or semilunar valve as we also know it, to the pulmonary artery, right into the lungs. So right here, we're starting now on the left side of the heart. So the left side of the heart receives newly oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it all again, the process into the heart once again. So the pulmonary, once the blood is in the lungs, it goes down into the pulmonary veins, to the left atrium, through the mitral valve, down into the left ventricle, through the aortic valve, to the aorta, and then again to the rest of the body. So outgoing blood to the rest of the body through the arteries, and the whole cycle starts again. Okay, so through a quick summary of what we learned in the diagram, that's why I had some letters in blue paper and other ones in red, because the blue one is the oxygenated blood and the red one is rich oxygenated blood. So with this picture, I'm going to explain more the blood flow of the heart. So blood enters the right atrium from superior vena cava. So it can either enter from superior vena cava or inferior vena cava into the right atrium. Then blood in the right atrium follows through the right AV valve. So the blood follows in through the AV valve right into the right ventricle. And then a contraction of the right ventricle forces the pulmonary valve to open. So a contraction makes the pulmonary valve to open. And blood follows through the pulmonary trunk right into the pulmonary arteries. Blood is distributed by right and left pulmonary arteries in the lungs. After the blood is in the lungs, it returns from the lungs via pulmonary veins to the left atrium. Blood in the left atrium follows the mitral valve, follows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. A contraction in the left ventricle forces the aortic valve to open, and blood flows through the aortic valve into the ascending aorta. Blood in the aorta is distributed into every organ in the body through here, and then blood returns to the heart via vena cavas once again. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps you, especially when it comes for our big lecture exam. Thanks guys.